Buongiorno paesani! It's another overcast day here in Montreal. Allora, l'altra giornata fece una parola mangiaciuni. We did the word itchy, mangiaciuni, pizzicare. So today I'm gonna tell you the effect of having a mangiaciuni. So when you're itchy, you scratch. So in Sicilian we say c'hai un mangiaciuni, ora mi raspo. Raspare, it means to scratch. And in Italian we say grattare. Quando mi pizzica, mi gratto. So raspare. That's today's Sicilian word that I wanted to teach you. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I guess this is the summer we're gonna have here in Montreal, but we make the best of it. We'll be the sunshine in everybody's day and in everybody's life. So have yourselves una bellissima giornata. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.